Obey God fully. Bakit obey God fully? In Genesis, was the instruction given by God. And God blessed Noah and his sons and said to them, be fruitful and multiply and fill the earth. Yun ang inutos. Pero anong ginawa nitong mga ito? Sabi ng Diyos, now the whole earth, chapter 11, use the same language, the same words, ba isang salita lang ha? It came about as they journeyed east and that they found a plain in the land of Shinar and settled there. Tapos sabi nga nun, they said to one another, come, let us make bricks, sabi niya, and burn them thoroughly. And they used brick for stone and they used tar for mortar. They said, come, let us build ourselves a city and a tower whose top will reach into heaven. Sabi niya, and let us make for ourselves a name. Otherwise, we will be scattered abroad over the face of the whole earth, the face of the whole earth. At that time, according to Henry Morris, there were about 10,000 people in population. In all the world, ha? Kasi noon, sama-sama pang lupa. Itong mga taong ito, sabi ng Lord, go and scatter. Ito, ayaw nila. Ayaw lang kumalat. Tama-sama lang tayo. Hindi tama yan. Kaya gumawa tayo ng city natin. Talagang yung kanilang plano was entirely against the command of God. Kasi sabi ng Lord, spread. Tama? Ang ginawa natin, magbuo tayo ng city. Gawa tayo ng tower. At magsama-sama tayo. Nang hindi tayo ikalat. Nakita niyo? Ang sabi ng Diyos, wag ganon. Itong ganda sa Diyos. Hindi ka man sumunod because He has a greater plan than us. Gagawin niya pa rin yung paraan para siguraduhin na sumunod tayo. Katulad ni Jonah, naalala ninyo si Jonah? Kinain siya ng malaking isda para makasunod siya. Minsan, gagawin ng Diyos yun. Katulad nito, ang ginawa ng Diyos, nakita niya, the Lord came down to see the city and the tower which the sons of men had built. The Lord said, behold, they are one people and they all have the same language. And this is what they had begun to do. And now, nothing which they purpose to do will be impossible for them. Masama ba yun na nagkakaisa sila? Hindi. Hindi sila masamang nagkakaisa. Ang masama, they will destroy themselves because God knew what the effect of being together.